clog files.
My name is Rod. I've been doing sewer and drain cleaning since 1994.
I was always that kid that clogged the drains or sabotaged the toilets. But somehow, destiny has changed things. I don't know if this field has chosen me, or I've chosen this field. But my job is to eliminate as many clogged drains as possible in the lifetime that I have. So it appears to be my punishment for all my misdeeds as a young kid, clogging all those toilets. Now, I'm the chosen one who has to keep New Hampshire flowing.
See a tub clog?
Put me back in the pipe!
That's the end of the pipe for you, Scary Harry.
That's a tub clog.